Hola! Today we're going to teach you how to make a mug cake, or in our case, a bowl cake, because we don't have oven-safe mugs, because yes, we are using a toaster oven, not a microwave. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay, so you're going to need chocolate chips, baking soda, vanilla, oil, sugar, flour, that. Did I already say that? Whatever. Cocoa powder if you want chocolate, salt, milk, and water, which can be found in the sink if you don't have it. Okay.
Why are you doing this fast?
Because, yeah. Okay, now, first, you want a quarter cup of flour. Yay. For the main one, we're not making chocolate. But if you were, you would add in 2 tablespoons at this moment. Whoa. Next, you want to add your baking soda. Good job. I'm kidding. Don't add the whole thing. You want to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon or 1/2 of a quarter teaspoon. Because I don't even know if we have an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just estimate. It's okay. I'm kidding. It's not okay, but whatever. Oh my god, guys. We found it. It's an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Good job.
Oh my god, this is so...
Up. Oh. Okay. Oh, and wash your hands in the beginning. Gotta add in that salt. Now you want to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon salt, or like a big pinch. Like that. Yeet. Okay, gotta get the cow juice now. Now you need Nature's Promise Organic Reduced Fat Milk, 2% milk fat, 38 less fat than whole milk, vitamins A and D, ultra pasteurized grade A home. No, I'm kidding, just grab milk. Okay, so now you gotta add 3 of these and that. I'm kidding, this is a tablespoon. And that's milk. Eee. Okay, so you add 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. I accidentally got too much. Okay, now put milk back so it doesn't get all chunky. Okay, so ew. Okay, you're supposed to have canola oil, but I have olive oil. I think that's like the same, so hopefully this will work. Wait, Ari, you need 2 spoons of that. I'm kidding. 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon? Oh, hi, you're the milk spoon. Okay, he goes whoosh, whoosh. Ha. And ready? 1, 2. Yay, I can count to 2. Watch this, guys. Ready? I'm magic. Now you need 1 tablespoon of Wuta. And then, yeah. 1. I can count to 1. I'm defying gravity. Okay. Now we add, I think vanilla. Let me double check. You want to add a 1/4 teaspoon or 2/8 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yum, yum. So I can't find it, 1/4 teaspoon, so we're doing 2/8. Yes. Smells good. 1. I got vanilla on the microphone. And 2. To clarify, here, taste it. To clarify, that is 2/8 teaspoons, not 2/4 teaspoons. You want 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Alrighty, so now you get a spoonie. Or like this thing. This works too.
I mix.
No.
I want to mix.
Yeah. No. Yum, yum. Okay, so the reason at this point why you're wondering why it looks like pancake mix is because it probably is, because we kind of forgot to add sugar. So you're going to add that in now. All right, you want to add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, and hopefully it should work, but if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But we'll try it. So don't make this without watching the whole thing first. Okay, we're making it? Yes. Okay, so you add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Yum, yum. Now you stir. Okay, so I think it should look like that, hopefully. And then, yeah, pour it in a mug, or in our case, 2 tiny little bowls. Like, ready? Wait. Roasted chocolate like this. Magic. Haha. Okay, now if you want, you can add a few chocolate chips on top, like that. Now, you take it and you open the oven. I don't know how, oh no. Okay. gotta experiment here. Okay, so let's figure out what temperature to cook it on. We're gonna try 350 for 10 minutes and then try it. But don't make this without watching ours first, because otherwise you'll probably like fail, because we'll probably. It'd be time for a doggy commercial break. We have 7 minutes left, and it's baking, as you can tell, because like it looks like that. It's jiggly, and it's not ready, obviously. So yeah, drink water, kids. Also, yes, that was my water bottle making that sound. Kids are almost done, but I don't think they're almost done.
23 seconds.
I'm gonna test it. So you're gonna wanna, beautiful fingers. Take a toothpick out, and you're gonna wanna go. Yeet. And if it comes out like that, it's bad. Keep cooking, people. Starting again. I'll just tell you how much at the end. Yeet. All right, my dudes, it's been 15 minutes so far, and they look close to being done. Oh my gosh. Are they done? How about I'll leave it in for like, until it goes down to like 3 or 2, and then I'll take it out. Right, my dudes. We're just gonna take it out and see how it goes, because that looks done, doesn't it? Okay. We're gonna take that out. It does not look bad. And don't carry it like this. We're bad examples. Put it somewhere. Now we grab other one. I didn't even check if it's done. Just assume it is. Okay, now let cool for like 5 minutes or something, and then eat it. Yum. Okay, so it hasn't even cooled for like nearly 5 minutes. It's been like less than a minute. But we're not gonna eat it anyways. We're gonna wait because that hurt. Water therapy. Now we're gonna try it. I'm probably gonna hit salmonella because this is probably raw, but that's okay. Actually, there's no eggs in it, so it is okay. Time for the satisfying spoon thing. Yum, salmonella. Cheers. Okay, guys, I baked it at 350 for like 17 minutes, so try that. I used a toaster oven. If you did it in like a microwave, you could do it in a mug. That's microwave safe. And then you could also bake it for like 2 minutes, so it's easier. We don't have a microwave, so yeah.